production BMW 7 Series in April this year, the German carmaker has now revealed more details of the two plug-in hybrid variants that will be available from November. Inside, BMW stripped away most of the physical buttons and extraneous controls. What's left is an ultra-sleek minimalist cockpit worthy of its flagship automobile. Two large touchscreen displays, one front and center and another for the digital instrument cluster, anchor almost all of the car's controls. Backseat passengers score their own touchscreen controls too, allowing them to dial in seating controls, ambient lighting, and even their own sun blinds. The more exciting of the two is the M760e xDrive, which is regarded as the successor to the V12 M760li xDrive that packed the venerable N74 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12. It features show-stopping iconic glow headlights. Each is embedded with Swarovski crystals arranged in an L shape and illuminated by 14 LEDs. When a keyholder approaches, the lights illuminate in a special pattern to indicate that the car senses the driver. Upon opening the doors, lights built into the sills project BMW branded graphics on the ground around the sedan. Under the hood of M760e xDrive, there's a 3.0-liter turbocharged straight-six petrol engine with 381 PS, 375 horsepower or 280 kilowatt, from 5,200 to 6,250 revolutions per minute and 520 Nm of torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. This is paired with an electric motor rated at 197 PS, 194 horsepower or 145 kilowatt, and 280 Nm that is integrated into the 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission, accompanied by BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. The electric motor draws power from an underfloor-mounted lithium-ion battery with a usable energy capacity of 18.7 kWh, and running just on electricity allows for range of between 77 and 85 km as well as a top speed of 140 km per hour. Put together, the M760e xDrive's total system output is 563 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, which translates to a 0 to 100 km per hour time of 4.3 seconds and a top speed of 250 km per hour. The 740d xDrive is the most affordable at €114,300 or $110,930 based on current exchange rates. For the 750e xDrive and M760e xDrive, the Munich-based automaker is asking €123,500 and €144,000 in its home market.